Here's how to set up Zenstores Workstations to simplify printing your labels. Start by hovering over Settings and clicking Workstations. Then download the Workstations app by clicking the link on the right-hand side. Choose the correct version for your machine. We support Mac and Windows. I'm on a Mac, so I'll select the Mac download. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, double-click the file, and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. When it's installed, open the Zenstores Workstation app and click Authenticate via Zenstores. This will open a new browser tab and link the app to your Zenstores account. In the tab that opens, click Add a new workstation, give it a name, and click Save. Now click Authenticate to connect this workstation to the app on your computer. Once it's connected, you'll see Connected to Zenstores in green at the top of the app. Next, set up your printers. Select your A4 printer from the first drop-down and your thermal printer from the second. If you're only using one type of printer, simply just select that one. You can also click Test Print to check that everything's connected. Now head back to Zenstores and go to the Workstations page in Settings. Assign the teammate you want to use this workstation. I'm logged in as Harry, so I'll assign Harry to Workstation 1 and then click Save Assignments. Finally, scroll down to set what happens when you click Print Labels. You can send labels straight to your printer or open them in a new tab. I'll switch to Send to Printer and click Save. And that's everything set up. From now on, when you click Print Labels, your labels will come straight out of your printer.